So basically, yeah, how to boost Shopee store sales with email marketing. That's the next topic I want to talk about. You see, like I said, if you're selling on marketplace like Shopee, Lazada, basically all the acquisition cost is coming up. And you really need to find different way. Now, instead of chasing the hamster wheel, like keep on needing to change the ad, figuring out how to target the audience and whatnot, right? What I'm saying here is that email marketing is and definitely is one of the most powerful way for you to actually boost your Shopee store and Lazada store sales. How? Very simple. You see, just think about this. A lot of people think about email marketing, they have always worry about the content side. But put it this way, what is the best content that you can write in your email? You know what? Selling. Very simple. You may argue with me. This is it. Why do you subscribe to a list? And most of the time, you want to know what are the deals coming up. Of course, there could be people you want to subscribe because you want to know about their value, you want to learn from them and whatnot. But those are knowledge people. Those are, knowledge, whatever, people who actually in the knowledge industry, on the, coaching industry and whatnot. But you are already a seller. So when you are already an e-commerce seller, when you are sending email, people do not expect a lot of education things coming from you. All you need to do is sell. Let me give you a very simple example. If you are actually, let's say, for example, if you're running an online grocery store, for example, all you need to do is every 2 days, maybe you don't want to spam them too much, right? You don't want to actually get them agitated or annoyed too much. But let's say, okay, 3 emails a week. Every email, you only feature one product. You just give them a bit of a description and say that, hey, this is good, If you want to find out more, go to this video link. You don't even need to do all this content because whoever brand out there definitely will have their own whatever information that you can use. All you need to do is just copy the whole thing and chuck it in and say that, hey, 10% discount if you buy today. Put a link there. You only need 10% of these people start buying and you're already making money by sending email in no time. Yeah? This is the easiest way to start making money using email marketing. If you're selling on Shopee, all you need to do is get them to start subscribing to your newsletter by sending out SMS. I know we can't, get the email address because the marketplace do not allow us to, but we can find a way to convert them. Send them SMS and say that, hey, we launched an email newsletter service, sign up and get a certain discount. So once they are in, then you're definitely, this is what I expect from you. Sell them, keep selling them. That's the beauty of email marketing, and you have to do this. All right, I've been advocating this, and if you need help, let's say of course, we want to work with people who are with a bigger problem, because if you have a bigger list, let's say if you already have been selling on Shopee, on Lazada, and now you have maybe like 50,000 customers or 100,000 customers, and you do not know how to turn them into your email marketing and set up a whole thing, it may look very difficult and all that, but what we're offering here, Andrew and I are offering a done with you program, whereby you come in, we have you set up the whole thing. Along the way, you'll be seeing how we do this. You'll be fully involved. And 3 months later, you'll be able to do this on your own. So that's the program that we're looking at, right? So if you want that, drop me a private message and I'll actually guide you through the application. You need to apply, of course. It's not for everyone. We have limited time and we believe we can help people. I mean, we want to make sure that we can help you, then only we take you in. So that's the whole idea.